Is your Android battery drying too fast? You charge it in the morning and the afternoon, it's already dead. The problem is not your battery, it's the hidden app secretly eating your power right now. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you exactly how to find and kill these battery draining apps. Let's go. Right now in your phone, there are apps running in the background that you aren't even using. These apps draining your battery silently, using your mobile data without permission, slowing down your phone, making your phone overheat. The worst part, you can't even see them unless you know where to look. Let me show you the secret setting in Android. Now find the battery killers. Open your settings. Now scroll down and tap on battery. Now tap on battery usage. Look at this. This screen shows you exactly which apps are eating your battery the most. See this? See the Facebook app is using a percentage of your battery today and you didn't even open it. And this one is taking from battery is around 5 or 4% just running in the background. Now let me show you how to stop them. First, stop the heavy apps. Tap on the app that's using the most battery. Now you will see the app info page. Look for the force stop button. Tap force stop, then confirm yes. Boom, that app is now completely stopped. It's no longer draining your battery. But wait, here's the problem. If you only force stop it, it might start again by itself. That's why you need step 3. This is the real secret. Restrict background activity permanently. On the same app info page, scroll down and find battery. Now you will see battery optimization option. Look for restrict background activity or background restriction. Turn this on. What does this mean? This tell Android, hey, don't let this app run in the background anymore. The app will only work when you open it. When you close it, it stays closed. No more secret battery draining. Now, here is the important part. Do this for all the heavy apps on your list. The process for 2 and 3 more apps, then fast forward your mobile. Force stop Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, game app, and now everything goes well.